Hello friends, myself Usha Patil, lecturer in mathematics. Welcome to in YouTube channel. In last video we learned the concept of limit. Today we learn derivative. In derivative using two variables, x, for example x and y. X is called independent variable. And y is called dependent variable. In first video function we see what is the independent variable, what is the dependent variable. Here these two variables use in derivative. Now definition of derivative. Let y equal to f of x be a real valued function where x is called independent variable and y is called dependent variable. And delta x be a small change in x corresponding change delta y in y. Then limiting form of the ratio delta y by delta x as delta x tends to 0 is denoted by limit delta x tends to 0 delta y by delta x equal to dy by dx. Means limiting of incrementary ratio is the dy by dx. Delta y and delta x is the small change in x and y. That is limiting ratio of delta y by delta x is the dy by dx. Now we see how to read the derivative. Means for example dy by dx is called derivative of y with respect to x. This form is called the derivative. Means derivative of y with respect to x. Means here use two variables y and x. Now we see the rules of derivative. First rule is derivative of sum. Means two functions of sum of two functions. If u and v are differentiable function. Differentiable function of x and y equal to u plus v. Then derivative means write d by dx. Derivative of y equal to derivative of u plus derivative of v. When sum of two functions, then differentiate the separate. Second rule, same as difference derivative of difference. If u and v are differentiable function of x and y equal to u minus v, then derivative of y equal to derivative of u minus derivative of v. That is the difference of sum and difference are the same, only sign is the change. Third formula, derivative of product. Derivative of product. If y equal to u into v, then dy by dx equal to u as it is derivative of v plus v as it is derivative of u, where u and v are, we know that u and v are differentiable function. Differentiable function. Fourth rule are derivative of quotient. Derivative of quotient. If y equal to u by v, v is not equal to 0, then dy by dx equal to v as it is derivative of u minus u as it is derivative of v divided by v square, where u and v are differentiable. Differentiable function. Last is the if y equal to k into u, where k is constant function and u is differentiable function. Differentiable function. Y equal, then derivative of y means dy by dx equal to k as it is derivative of u, means where is the constant function, their constant function write as it is and only differentiate the variable k into du by dx. Now we see the derivative of standard functions means formulae. That is the first formula, derivative of x with respect to x equal to 1, means same variable x and x, That's why answer is 1. Same, derivative of y with respect to y is the 1. Second formula, derivative of y with respect to x is the dy by dx. Means here is the two different variables are x, y and x. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate y with respect to x. That is the dy by dx. Third formula is derivative of k equal to 0. K is the constant. That's why constant derivative always 0. Derivative of x raised to n equal to n into x raised to n minus 1. Derivative of 1 by x equal to minus 1 by x square. Like that, so many formulas are there. Means total 23 formulas are given to you. You learn this, and next we solve some examples which depend on formulas. Now we see some examples. Find dy by dx if y equal to x raised to 10 plus 10 raised to x plus e raised to x. Now how to solve? First given is y equal to x raised to 10 plus 10 raised to x plus e raised to x. Now here is three functions, but three functions in between the sum means addition, plus sign is there. When is the sum of derivative? Then differentiate separately. Therefore differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx equal to derivative of x raised to 10 plus derivative of 10 raised to x plus derivative of e raised to x. Here is the x is the variable and 10 is the constant. Therefore here using the formula x raised to n. X raised to n formula, we know that derivative of x raised to n is x raised to n minus 1. Means here n means 10. Therefore 10 into x raised to 9 plus, here is the 10, base is the constant and variable is the power. The 10 raised to x. Means here using the formula, which formula use here? Derivative of a raised to x. A raised to x into log a. A means 10. Therefore 10 raised to x into log a means 10 plus, here using formula derivative of e raised to x. E raised to x means e raised to x plus e raised to x. That is the answer. Dy by dx equal to 10x raised to n. Second one for example is y equal to e raised to x into tan x. Find dy by dx. Here first example is the sum of derivative. In second example, product of derivative. First write given y equal to e raised to x into tan x. Here is two functions but between the product. Therefore using product rule. We know that the product rule dy by dx equal to, product rule is derivative of u into v, u as it is, derivative of v plus v, derivative of u. Here e raised to x means u function and v means tan x function. Therefore differentiate with respect to x and using product rule, e raised to x as it is and derivative of what? Tan x plus tan x as it is and derivative of e raised to x. Here is no derivative, therefore write as it is e raised to x. Here is the derivative of tan x means sec square x for plus tan x. Now derivative of e raised to x means e raised to x. What is the common here? E raised to x in bracket sec square x plus tan x dy by dx. In this example we use the product rule. And now third example, y equal to e raised to x by x, find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. Y equal to e raised to x by x is the given. Now using here quotient rule. Quotient rule. We know that what is the quotient rule? Derivative of u by v equal to v as it is derivative of u minus u as it is derivative of v and divide by v square. Here is the u means e raised to x and v means x. Y's derivative is the dy by dx. V means x as it is derivative of u means e raised to x minus u means e raised to x and derivative of v means x. V square means x square. Now here is no derivative, right, as it is x. Derivative of e raised to x. E raised to x is the e raised to x minus e raised to x. Derivative of x. Here is the same function. When same function are there, then derivatives is 1 divided by x square. Now what is the common? E raised to x, x minus 1 divided by x square dy by dx. That is the, in third example, we give the three examples. In first examples, sum of derivative. In second example, use product of derivative. And third example, use quotient of derivative.